Oh,
This was a mistake.
Yeah, he kind of reminds me of like a Sega character.
Like what, Sonic?
Yeah. Dude, change this from blue to tan. You've got Jailbird Sonic.
Why don't you draw one real quick? You've got paper.
I don't know if I should do this. Seems cursed.
No, go on. Make them into it. Make the Jailbird into a Sega character. Go on, make your furry fan fiction.
I've never drawn this before.
Draw it on camera. Why are you making him look like that?
What do you mean? I'm doing my best.
You're doing your best?
Leave me alone.
No.
I'm trying my best.
Bro.
Jailbird.
Bro.
Jailbird.
You're so cooked.
I told you this is bad. I've never fucking drawn a Sonic character before.
I literally pulled you up a reference.
I know. You do it. Ugh. There we go. Mm-hmm. Oh. What is that?
Don't ask me questions. It's a Jailbird, but in Sonic character appearance. It's my Sonic Jailbird OC.
Sonic. It's like an off-brand.
Look, I'm not an artist, okay? I hope you enjoyed mine and Aradia's awful sketching. There's Malfa, there's Aradia, here's Aradia, here's Aradia, here's sad Victorian Jailbird. Shut up! Here's Sonic Jailbird. Here's the normal Jailbird. I love you.